Hi, my name is Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw, including this brand new one called Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles, which is so much fun. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a crazy kind of dog called the Astonished Pup on page 72. So let's get started and see what we can do. It's really pretty easy, especially if we start with a famous wiggle. And we're going to start this way. It's going to be compressed, a spiral that is compressed rather than round. And so this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to bring it around this way. Like this. See, this is kind of a spiral or a squiggle, but it's compressed, like I say. So now we can start. And we'll start this way by adding kind of this kind of cone look, this truncated cone on top. Like that. And we'll put a little horizontal nose on top of this. This is going to be the mouth. That's what that's going to be, kind of an astonished mouth. Okay, here we go. Now bring the eyes way up and big and round, wide-eyed. One right next to the other. The perfect circles, not ovals, just circles like that. And we'll bring the eyeballs in closer to the center of the face. Make them look a little goofier than if they look straight ahead. See, it's already looking goofy, and we don't have the eyebrows yet. So that's good. Now have the eyebrows right here, aiming upward. Let's give them a few teeth. And on the bottom too. Look astonished. Also bring those floppy ears up and down. Let's blacken them in. Now let's bring the body up high, kind of hunching. He's tense, very tense little doggy. Little arm in front, another little arm in front. Let's bring the hindquarters up a little more, like that. Yeah, that's better. And let's curl that around, but we don't have to show feet, really, because we're just going to use the curl of the thigh to indicate the feet. And a little flip of the tail. Like so. Here's a little shadow for this guy. Another little shadow. A few lines for the toes. Patch right there. How about a little bit of hair? That is one astonished dog. Well, I hope you liked it. Quick little drawing. Oh, I'll bring this down just a touch here. I just saw something. It would look better if it's a little flatter back here. Okay. You knew I was going to correct something, right? I always do that. You can't stop being creative. Sometimes you should just stop, but I can't. Anyway. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you will subscribe and come and see me next time. Had a lot of fun. And oh yes, and again, the book is Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. You can get it in many booksellers or order it. Thank you for being here today. See you next time. Bye-bye.